Thank you very much.
Well, let's move on from there now. A committee on a mission to evaluate cancer care and treatment has identified gaps to help determine future strategy and steps to be taken by the federal government. The Impact Review Committee, made up of both local and international experts, believe that if these critical gaps are addressed, Nigeria will be on the verge of reducing death from the disease. TVC News' Kemi Balogun has details.
In an effort to improve general cancer care in Nigeria, the Impact Review Committee was set up to ensure that the gaps and challenges affecting efficient cancer care in the country are reviewed and solutions given. This review committee, made up of both local and international experts, have toured cancer centers and infrastructure in Nigeria in the last 2 weeks. They are now here to present their findings in an exit report to the Minister of State for Health.
Collection and selection of experts here attest to the fact that you've really come in to do this gap and need analysis for us, and I can promise you the report that you're going to be submitting will be well used. We will utilize it because we have the political will.
The team went around the whole country, the 6 regions of the country, to assess the capacity of all these cadres of healthcare delivery services in the area of cancer prevention.
The team visited teaching hospitals, general hospitals, a private cancer center, diagnostic center, primary healthcare centers, and had town hall meetings when they went outside of Abuja to the various regions. And with all of that, there will be a rich amount of data that was collected.
In 2018, Nigeria recorded more than 115,000 cancer cases and more than 70,000 deaths. The committee says it has assessed the readiness of the country to fight cancer, both in terms of human resources and infrastructure.
This impact review is meant to be a national level in scope, so this was particularly important. I would like to commend the government of Nigeria for the strong political will that we have seen time and again across all of these activities for engaging in and strengthening cancer control. We see that there are still some needs to cover the out-of-pocket costs for patients that, as we know, with cancer can be very high.
Experts here believe that the review has helped to give a proper evaluation of the cancer burden, how to improve prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and palliative care. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.
Let's talk politics. The new Nigeria People's Party says it is determined to win the 16th of November governorship election in Ondo State. NNPP National Chairman Ajuji Ahmed spoke at a meeting with members and leaders of the party from the 18 local government areas of the state. According to him, the party has put its house in order to ensure that the candidate of the party, Gbenga Idema, comes out victorious in the election. Also speaking, a leader of the party, Ibrahim Yakubu, said NNPP remains the new bride in Ondo State politics, with the array of politicians in its fold.
We believe that this route cannot be achieved except when we emphasize one thing, and that is education for all of us. With the building of human resources, we believe that the party will be able to build economic advancement for our country, and we will now, by so doing, generate the momentum for not just economic but also social, economic, as well as infrastructural development across the country.
This gubernatorial election that is coming comes 16th November 2024, by God's grace. We will participate to win, because before that, the general election of 2027, which we hope by God's grace our national leader will be the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Governor of Ondo State, Lucky Aiyedatiwa, has taken his local government campaign to Ondo Local Council, urging the people to remain steadfast in their commitment to the progress his administration has achieved. Senior reporter Ayode Jimradio has more and will be back with business news.
As part of his campaign tour of the state ahead of the November 16 governorship election, the governor of Ondo State, Lucky Aiyedatiwa, visited several communities in Ondo local government area. In addition to receiving an overwhelming reception from residents, the governor was also endorsed by traditional rulers in the local government. Some of the areas visited by the governor include Bolowo, Kiribo, and Agadagba, among others. The governor expressed gratitude for the overwhelming support, emphasizing the importance of the upcoming election. He promised to reciprocate their trust with impactful projects and policies.
I feel so excited and happy for today's campaign. We are here at Arugbo LCDA. In Ondo local government, where we have to address our people. We have met with all the traditional rulers in this LCDA and with all our party leaders. We have one major defector today, the last man standing in PDP.
One of the leaders in Ondo local government area, Bibokore Ajube, urged residents to rally behind Governor Aiyedatiwa.
My people, they've known that Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa is the person they support. They are not doing another one. And they know, I am telling them now, that they should send the message to other people that are not aware that Lucky is a person of integrity, dignity.
The governor is expected to take his campaign to a federal local government area of the state. Ayode Jimradio, TVC News, Ondo.